Hi everyone. So today we have with us Dr. M. Malmurugan, who is the Dean at Faculty of Engineering and Technology, SRM-IST, Trichy campus. Welcome, sir, to our series called as Thoughtful Leaders by College Dunia. It would be great, sir, if you could share your introduction to our audience.
I am 34 years experience, blended both in teaching and in industry. I served in institutions of high repute in my past. Now I am in SRM-IST as a dean. This is right, everybody knows that it is a well-established, highly branded name in the education sector. We have programs on engineering, technology, science, humanities, medical sciences, hotel management, etc. Trichy SRM-IST campus is most wanted by students now for its unique features. I am very happy to be part of this wonderful organization, and now I am ready to share my views with you also.
Right, sir. Sir, so to start with, I would, having such vast experience, I would like to know, sir, what is your philosophy of leadership?
Leadership now in the institutions should focus both on teachers and the students. We can't take only the students. All the students, they should be deserve a well-rounded quality education that prepares them for successful career in their path, in their life. And we would create passion among teachers and students to become lifelong learners in any institution, the growing institution or grown institution. And we know that now technology plays a major role in education. It is not very old chalk and talk alone. So we have more ICT tools to be used in the classroom. And teachers should know how to use technology for teaching their content. So I believe that as a leader, teachers should be transfigured to integrate technology into curriculum to meet out the needs of today's digital learners. The students are now fully digital savvy, so we should know how to meet out their needs. And research is another important component for any institution. So we would cultivate the research culture in the campus among both teachers and the students. So my leadership focuses on providing the conditions that enable students and teachers to succeed by giving them a sense of ownership over what they do in order to motivate them. So at all levels, we need to bring overall learning and development experience within the organization. This is actually my view on leadership in the institutions.
Right, sir. Sir, so talking about leadership, as you said that we have to evoke sense of ownership among students. Sir, so how do we plan and strategize the curriculum at the campus to ensure the best practices of the industry?
So our curriculum, SRM curriculum, is developed with the involvement of industry experts. So we invite industry experts to design our courses. Or I can say that the curriculum is designed with industry practices and requirements. And most of our courses in the curriculum are industry inclined. So we have taken more care in designing lab courses and theory courses to have industry component and to have some kind of the expectations by the industry people. And we have in SRM-IST, in our curriculum, we have provisions even to learn foreign languages. It may be required for the students to work in the companies, where they need the proficiency in Japanese or proficiency in French. So we are teaching languages of French, Germany, Spanish, Chinese, and Japanese, and the students can take these courses through the regular offering. It is not the extra or it is not value addition. We are giving along with the curriculum. So this is make our students to be more confident to work in the countries where those languages are in practice, other than English. And our curriculum covers most wanted requirement from industry on soft skills, professional practices, the basic communication skill set, and what I can tell, all these courses are handled by industrial trainers in the campus. So we have our own skill development center where we have industrial trainers, and they are training the students on this area. So our students are more industry ready, and our curriculum is designed like that. So it actually makes our students more inclined towards the industrial requirements.
Right, sir. Sir, so for the students who are studying at SRM or who are starting their career in the engineering field from SRM, so what are the opportunities available to gain industry-specific knowledge to the students, like apart from curriculum?
It is a very good question. We have more industry connect. Many industries, leading industries, are partners of our SRM IST. All leading, I can say even some Fortune companies. So students, they have the chance to meet the industry people in the campus through various schemes. Even we are inviting industry people to our campus for giving guest lectures or for giving our industry practices. And I told earlier, I have a skill development center in the campus, Trichy campus. We keep our students to upgrade themselves to become industry ready. And we are conducting more programs some kind of joint project, joint kind of the research, everything along with the industry. And we are conducting programs in addition to all these things, programs on problem solving, taking initiative, working in teams, and understanding business needs, understanding customer needs. Because our students may go for a different type of industries. When they go to any industry, they should be more suitable and they should be ready for them. So we have many industry connect programs in the campus through which our students meet the people from industry, and they will become more comfortable with any industry where they will place later.
Right, sir. Sir, so like academics, and sir, what are the other opportunities available to the students for their overall development at the university?
So we are always looking on the holistic development of the students in the SRM IST. It is not mere only on the classroom learning. So we like to give them. I told you that classroom learning also makes them to become industry ready, but we are giving more industry exposure by arranging intensives and by arranging seminars. This is actually giving them some confidence and also increase their self-esteem. And they may be getting how to crack the job interview when they go for placement. We are giving more ample of industry exposure to our students by various ways I told earlier.
Yes,
and we have good world-class infrastructure in the campus. Because we know that college becomes a second home of any student. And over months, over years, it becomes a place where they spend maximum time. So the infrastructure on-campus facilities are more important for any student's college life. And our buildings, I can say buildings, our infrastructure in terms of classrooms, in terms of library, in terms of workshops, in terms of the canteen, in terms of sports facilities, all they create very positive impact on the student. And we have well-planned college campus, greenery campus with all possible facilities, and it makes wonders on the life of our students. And we have life beyond academics in the campus. So we are not only giving the problem-solving skills, we are not only boosting self-confidence, we are making our students be more having multi-talented. They should have more observation power, and they should have more connection with faculty members. And we know the power of blending the entertainment with education, because it's more important. The students should not be only in the classroom. If they have some kind of cultural talents, if they have some other kind of skill set, they should know how to exhibit, and we should provide platform for them to exhibit all the talents. So we have a very good sports facility in the campus, and we have various clubs are functioning in the campus, so students can excel if they are really having passion and interest, and if really they participate in all the activities which are going on a daily basis in the campus. And I believe personally that there is a connection between sports and the education. Yes. Only when the student is good in sports, good in exercise, then his mind will be very sharper. Not only for that, even it makes students to keep away from depression, to fight against obesity, everything. So sports will make everything easy. So we have good sports facility in the campus. We have good other infrastructure facilities, good library, and good other kind of clubs, everything in the campus. That makes our students to go beyond all these things.
Right, sir. So this is great, sir. Sir, so what is the top priority of the institute for the coming 10 years? What do you think is the top priority for the institute?
Top priorities?
Yes. For the next 10 years.
So our college is already a national player.
Yes.
We have students from all parts of country. We have students from Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, Madhya Pradesh, Northeast. And we have faculties also from various parts of country. We have our own faculty members from Maharashtra, from Uttar Pradesh, from Bihar. Like that, we have faculty members also.
Yes.
And we have people know that SRM is a national player. And my top priority for Trichy campus. Already our main campus is having high edge in the international the map. Now I want to make Trichy campus also to be in the global map. To be the best educational destination for those who are aspiring to take education in Trichy. And Trichy is well connected with all parts of the country, and it has a very good to the airport. So it's the best destination for people. And then we would like to go for very strong industry connect further. We want to make industry presence in all the departments. By somehow, we should have center of excellence, or we should have joint research. We should have collaborative grant funding agencies. So we want to go for more center of excellence. Center of excellence, I am not meaning very mere center of excellence. Centers of research excellence in all the departments. And we want to go for all collaborative inclusion, diversity, creativity, innovation among students and faculty. So I want to make this campus as innovation and entrepreneurship hub. Because now Government of India is giving more importance for making India innovation, and go for participating in global innovation index, everything. Now India is in the top 3 of middle income countries in the global index scenario. So we have to contribute more towards to make our country to go higher in the innovation side. And Trichy is our campus or otherwise is in the rural side. So we have to create technology and transfer technology for rural upliftment. So we have to create some technologies more suitable for rural people. So we want to go for some kind of innovations and projects for that. And we have to make our students more competitive enough. We have to make our students to get higher reaches in their life.
Yes.
In the next 10 years, I want to see my students to be a part of all big companies in the top positions.
Yes.
And we have to receive more grants from government funding agencies and from industries. And I want to make this campus be more alive. And we have to create 360-degree grown students. They have to have growth in all sites. So this is our to the top priority areas.
Right, sir. So what is a piece of valuable advice that you would like to give to the aspiring students of planning to take engineering as a career ahead in the future?
Yeah, let me make it very crisp.
Yes, sir.
I give advice to my students and as well as students aspiring for engineering. Never limit your interest. Then own everything and take leadership for yourself. This is more important. Then we have to mark our motivation. Then grab hands-on experience on more skills, because knowledge is one set. Then we have to go for skills second. Then we have to go for attitude. So next one is attitude. So set up your portfolio correctly. Then utilize online resources. Now everything is online. It is not mere only on books. So they have to go for more online resources. Then equip yourself from all facilities available in the campus for becoming future ready. I cannot say industry ready, future ready. So students should be future ready for anything.
Right, sir. Sir, so I really would like to thank you for sharing your thoughts on education and your plans for the university and how the students can learn from you and the university, like the courses available at the university. So thank you so much for sharing your thoughts on education. It was a pleasure knowing your thoughts about education. So
thank you very much. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity to share my views in higher education, particularly in engineering education. And this I think would be helpful for the viewers of this video.